Hey there, Bootsy here. HWD60 1403D. It might be a washer dryer. Yeah, it is. It's got a dry button on it. A higher washer dryer. It's left out on the street. It's pretty cheesy in there. It's well worn. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at the filter down here. There you go. Clip that open with a screwdriver or a knife. Morning. And then give this a twist. There we go. Got some water in it. Is it broken?
No.
It's just old.
Just needed the new ones.
Fair enough.
I think they brought 2 out. It was 2 or 3 out.
Yeah.
So they needed a washer dryer.
Yeah.
But one of the 3 was broken. I don't know.
Okay, so maybe it works.
Yeah.
Ha, okay.
There were 3.
Yeah.
One was broken.
Yeah.
I don't know the fault, but the other 2 were working. But I don't know the particular one.
Yeah, that's cool.
Different flats.
Yeah, right, okay.
Yes,
Cool. See you later.
Yeah, all right.
So let's see, is there any treasure in here? He said some of them were working. One was broke, was it? And they got 3 replaced. Looks clean. Bit of stuff in there. It's actually relatively clean, especially for a washer dryer. Let's close that up. You chatting too? Hello. Close it up until it's tight. It stops up there against the stop. Flip it shut, and that's how you check the filter on a higher HWD, higher washer dryer 60-1403D. Probably works, this one, left out on the curb. Questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. See you later.